Purple Day, everyone. Talagang we purple you, di ba? BTS na BTS ang dating. So, 51 years, no? It's not a small feat na yung company natin was able to, ano. So, kanina sa gateway, nung nag-distribute ako, happy birthday, sabi na, hindi pa naman 51, 18 pa lang. Hindi ko yan. So, 50.
I don't have anything more to say except that I'd like to thank the engagement team for bringing this up. Head natin, Manager Ali, Elging, and the rest of the team. So I appreciate that.
Sana'y magkaroon ng kasiyahan at tuwa.
Nakabigla na naman.
Wish you all the best.